This is the Pro Design Quick Cut Hair Clipper. I'm gonna unbox it and I'm also gonna test it out on my hair and see how well it works. Here we have a manual. Here's the plug. Alright, it's really stuck in there. Alright, we have a 5-volt charger base. Came right on, but how do I know if it's full? I'm gonna have to look over the manual. I love the nice curve. That should hug my head. Feels good in my hand. Oh, and they just clip right in. 5/8, 3/16, quarter, half, 3/8, 5/64, 1/16, 3/32, and 1/8. And we have a brush. It's fluffy. And here we have a little pouch. It's velvet material. And this little brush to clean our blade. Okay, so I guess it's fully charged, as the LED light says fully lit when it's fully charged. Another thing I noticed with the manual, it says we get an oil bottle, but I didn't get one. That must be for you know, oiling the blade. And also it's suitable for cleaning under an open tap, so you can wash this out. And we should get 40 minutes of use when it's fully charged, and if the battery runs to empty, then it takes 3.5 hours to charge it. You can use it cordless or corded. So let me see how long the cord is. So it's 46 inches for the cord. So since it's fully charged, I'm gonna take it in the bathroom and show you how I'm using it. I'm going to be cutting right here. I'll just take it down a little bit, and I'm going to use the 1/8 inch guard. There goes nothing. It's taking it off, you see? It's cutting good, it's really sharp. I'm just trying to do the bottom of the design. I can't see. But 1/8 inch is good for the bottom. Now I'm gonna switch to a larger one. This is a 3/16 inch. And as you can see, it's cutting good. I'm gonna do the next side so you can see. It just hugs my head. At first it felt a little bit large because I'm not used to it being this large, you know, but I think it hugs my head. I'm gonna do the full head right now. As you can see, it's working well. So the only thing with this is it measures 3 inches. 3 inches. Okay, so it's a little bit wider than I'm used to, and because I have hair on the top and only shaved a half of it, it's kind of like, you know, so I can only go downwards. And sometimes when I'm cutting my hair, I tend to go on an angle just to get it to fade correctly. But it contours to my head shape really good. So if you're gonna shave a full head, then yeah, it's perfect. And it feels good. You see how it looks right there. I don't know if you can see it. You should be able to see how it looks like a dip. It contours really well around the shape of my head, and it feels really good. So I can honestly say that it's very sharp and it cuts the hair really well. And if you have a full head, you'll be done in no time if you're cutting a full head of hair. Alright, so that's it from me. I think this ear clipper works very well. It's very sharp and I can wash it. Hold up, let me wash it and let you see. It's not running, it's off. I'm just gonna take this off. I can wash it separately. Okay. And I have the little brush here. Alright, that's that. I'm scared. Alright. They said to wash it, so I'm gonna wash it. Still working. So there we have it. Waterproof air clipper, 3 inches wide. All right.